Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how to start and how to drive with this new Toyota Corolla Hybrid car, what we can purchase in USA and also in globally. And this car is really this hybrid version, where is this 1.8 liter gasoline engine and then this battery-based system. And this is really nice car, and I can recommend this car to you in all US states. And this car there is this smart key what sends this information, and this is wireless car that I can keep this key, smart key, in my pocket in my jacket. And then when we go in this cabin area, we have to be always to be this key in with our body, because this is only like 1 meter range of this device, that if I go outside, then this alarm system start to blink in here. But now when I am starting this car, there is this standard power button like in Toyota way, and now I drop that in my this car holster in here. And now when I press that in first time, let's see that what happens. Then there is automatic symbol in here that I have to brake also this car's brake pedal in here in this down area. And now I brake pedal, and there is information, and we can go to look actually that what kind of information there is. And there is also this computer screen what recommends to me to sign in this car's system. This is similar system almost like in this new US fighter F-35. There is Windows system in here if I like to log in this fighter jet, this F-35. Okay, but this Toyota is of course a little bit more easier to use. Okay, and let's look a little bit closer at these things, because it is really interesting. Now when we are watching this my dashboard, now I press this button, this power button once, and there is text that not ready for drive. There is the comment that not ready for drive, press brake and push power button switch to start. Okay, and now I have to press this my brake pedal. There is gas pedal, and this one is brake pedal. Now I have to press this my brake pedal totally down, and after that there is now new text in here when we look. Now there is press brake pedal and push power switch to start. Okay, and now I press that button, and now this car is ready for driving. Excellent. And this is so easy, and we can see that there is this rev meter in here, and now engine automatically starts. And there is consumption meter in this dashboard in here, that how much this consume gasoline, and there is fuel meter in here, and this is temp meter. Really easy to use. And now when we are planning to drive, I have to keep this my foot in this brake pedal, because now if I like to change gears, this is like stuck, and there is a switch in this back area, small switch. We can see in here this switch in here what I have to press. Let's look that again, because it is a little bit difficult to see, but now we can see this switch here, this switch, and I have to press this switch always when I change these gears. And this is trick number 1. Okay, so when I like to start to drive, there are gears, and now it is like parking position in here. And if I like to change these gears, it is really that this trigger in here, in that area, this trigger, I have to press that one always. And now it's like brake. Now I move this in like R position. It is like reverse. And then if I like to install that like neutral, it is in here. And then this is D, is this driving position. And then this B is the like extra brake position when we like to use this car's electric brake, like in downhill, or it automatically brakes much more efficiency than in this drive position. Okay, and now when I install this in R position, in that my car, there is this back areas window monitor, this one in here, and it automatically changes. And now this my video monitor, it is a little bit dirty because this screen is not so accurate and camera is dirty in this back area. I have to clean that. But there is this area that in what I can reverse, and this area moves when I rotate steering wheel. Okay, but now car is ready for driving, and now when I release this brake pedal, car start to move. Okay, good. It is so easy. And then if I like to go like in this reverse, now we are going reverse, and then when I like to go in forward, I only change this switch in D position. And now I can drive in forward. And there is really gas pedal in here, and using that one I can drive in forward. This is so easy. And this is like automatic car, really easy to use, and this is like basic information that how you can start and drive with new Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Thank you. Okay, and now we are really testing that how this normal D gear, drive gear, stops this car when we are driving in downhill. Now we are in downhill area, and we can see that speed is all time 70. It little bit drops, but it is almost, now we go even this downhill more, and we can see that this 70, 71, it goes bigger, and in this way like speed goes higher even that I don't press gas pedal. But then when I change this my gear in here in this B, like electric brake, look, now I press that switch, and now it is like B position. We can see that this my speed drops really aggressive way. And let's look that when I next we have nice downhill, and now when I move this my now we can see that when I take this braking position, the speed drops really fast. In here we can see it is like 50% more efficient, this speed dropping when we use this electric brake gear. And this is really useful device when we are driving like in highway where are big hills, because then we can save our car's brakes. And this is really if you are driving in really high mountain or hills area and you have to use your brakes, then this brake position is really excellent. If you are living like in mountain area, like in Switzerland also and Norway, and in these California's hills where we have those big mountains. Okay, and now I release again gas pedal, and we can see that how active way the speed drops. Now we can see I don't press any brake now. This is really aggressive electric braking. Okay, and soon we are like in 0 speed. Okay, and now I change my gear back in D, and this is really possible to change in within this driving. Now I am in this normal drive position. Okay, that kind of this electric brake information to you. And this car is really Toyota Corolla Hybrid, and this is really excellent car, and this B braking position is also in this Toyota Prius car also similar.